Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record audio in CapCut. So we have a video clip here and we want to do a voiceover or something and we just want to record audio. What we need to do is just click on this small microphone icon. Just choose the specific microphone you would like to use. For example, now I have this microphone connected, but you can also use the built-in microphone in your laptop. You can use echo reduction mute project, which basically just switches off all the audio so that you can record your voice without any distractions. And you can also have the enhanced voice function with the pro version, which you can try by clicking the link in the description below. And once you have all the settings ready, you just need to click on this recording button, and when you want to stop, you're just gonna click on this button again. Alright, so all in all, this is how to record audio in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.